So today I am at the Wynwood walls where you see different type of art on the wall, and I'm super excited to check this out. This is one of the places that I saw online that I have good touristic places to see in Miami. It's Manikeny. So yeah, I decided to check it out, and I just got here. It's very loud, you cannot hear me, but I'm going to take a few pictures and a few shots and show you guys what this looks like. I'm excited.
Bite your chest. Kill this spirit for me. Purchase your tracks today. Bite your chest. Kill this spirit for me.
The next day.
Hey guys, so Miami day 4 or 3, I cannot even count anymore, but today I'm actually going to the beach today again, but I had to stop out here to get a few things, and yeah, I'm done with that, and I'm going to the beach now. We're trying to figure out if we are walking to the beach or if we're taking Uber. Yay, yes, I'm tired of walking. So I'm waiting for the Uber, and then yeah, then hopefully I'll be able to do some activities, you know, not just walking in the beach, but then like do other stuff, like maybe a jet skiing or get on the boat, get on the water or something. But yeah, let's see how that goes. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But right now I'm at the post office. Let me show you guys what it looks like. United States Post Office in Florida, Miami. Yup.
The next day.
So guys, actually this is the next day. I was not able to film a lot yesterday, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, so yesterday I was not able to do any of the activities I thought I would. Today maybe I will, and I will try to film as much as I can. If I cannot, then I will just show you guys pictures of me on a jet ski or something. But right now we're trying to book a jet ski thing to go on a jet ski ride for like 30 minutes or an hour or something, just for the experience. But we are waiting
1 hour.
an hour or something. That's what I'm saying. Stop dissing me in my own video. God, the view is so beautiful. I like the way they make the streets. The streets are so nice with the old palm trees and stuff. I'm trying to get in the street so you guys can see it. Look at that. So beautiful. Yeah, so we're trying to get to the guy that is going to do the jet ski thing. And then I'll do the jet ski thing. From there, we'll go to the beach. And then probably to one club or party or something. I'm actually really hungry right now. And now we're in North Beach. I think we'll do the jet ski thing and then try to find some food because, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. How do I get in here? Can you take this? So actually it was a boat ride. So guys, I was able to get on the boat and ride for a few minutes. That was cool, but I couldn't continue for some reasons that I don't know if I should say here. But anyways, yeah, but it was a cool experience. I took a few videos as you guys saw. But yeah, our time on the boat is actually coming to an end. Anyways, just actually coming to an end, and then yeah, then I don't know if we even go to the beach right now because it's already getting dark and I'm hungry. Alright.
Wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my juice. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be a fortress, the wishes were horses. Easy too much, it's not too much.